Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and there's going to be another demonstration of IELTS speaking test, right? So I've got the student of mine from my IELTS masterclass. What's your good name?
So my name is Hafiz Muhammad Bilal Baba.
Okay, Hafiz Muhammad Bilal is with us, and are you nervous now? Okay,
Yes,
just relax, calm down, right? So I'm going to ask him some questions and he's going to answer, and you can just see the bench score as well, right? So it's going to be a very good demonstration for this bench score. Okay. So Bilal, let's make a start. Do you work or study?
So, well, to answer your question, I am student. I am studying of Bachelor's of Commerce. I am in 8th semester.
Okay, that's good. What do you like about commerce?
Sir, what I like about commerce is because the commerce subject is related to my business. So because of my father, and my father is a businessman, so that's why I like commerce subjects.
Okay, that's good. Let's go on. Tell me about your hometown.
Sir, my hometown is Lahore. I am from Lahore, and Lahore is a vibrant city in the state of Punjab. It has the population about 20 million, and it is the second largest city of Punjab.
Okay, what is your favorite part of your hometown?
So my favorite part of my hometown is its historical buildings like Badshahi Mosque and the Shahi Killa. Lahore is famous for the historical buildings.
Okay, all right, let's move on. Do you have friends?
So I have many friends in my hometown, but my best friend is Jawad. He's my classmate in 9th, 10th, and he's my classmate also in 11th and for second class.
Okay, how often do you go out with your friends?
I usually go with my friends on weekends for playing cricket and watching movies, and also watching WWE on YouTube
All
with
right.
my friends.
Okay,
as well.
what type of movies do you like to watch?
So I like romantic movies like Indian movies, and also I watch some foreign movies of Leonardo DiCaprio.
Okay, what is your favorite day of the week and why?
So my favorite day of the week is Sunday because it's weekend when so there is no work, but there is no pressure of work, so I feel relaxed and calm.
All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. This is your topic. You have 1 minute to read the topic and write down some notes. And after 1 minute, you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, I live in Lahore, and Lahore is famous for their beautiful places, park and gardens, and also some historical places. So my favorite garden is Shalimar Garden, which is located in Lahore, near from the University of Engineering and Technology, and it has some beautiful trees, flowers, mountains, or fountains, fountains, and also some beautiful lighting as well. So I sit under the tree and soak the nature and the beauty, and I'm very nature friendly guy, and I like the park because I think it's a little piece of heaven on earth. So I like to go with my family on weekends in this park and click some photograph as well, and to enjoy some meals there. And I usually saw some people to enjoy picnic there and walking in the pathways.
All right, thank you. Now we move on to IELTS speaking part 3. Why do people go to the parks or gardens in the morning?
So I think the people need to the people need to go the park in the morning, because in morning they feel relaxed, they feel calm, and the nature is safe, the environment is safe, the air is healthy, and go to park to walking and some exercise as well.
Okay, do people go to park and gardens more now as compared to the past?
So, as my point of view, more people in past more people went to park daily for some exercise. But now in these days, the time are constraints. The time are the time is constrained, and the time limit is short, so people will not go.
Okay. What are the benefits of visiting parks or gardens?
The benefits of the park and garden is because in garden there are some trees, the air is fresh, the man feel healthy, and the person can do some exercise as well. So these are the benefits we get.
Okay. What type of facilities should there be in parks and gardens?
I think the facilities, they should or
Yeah. What
no.
type of facilities should there be in parks and gardens?
I think the park should need to the facilities like dustbin, because in some park there are no dustbin in the parks, so the park is so dirty and the environment is polluted. So I think they should some dustbin put in the parks.
All right. Do you think people will continue to visit the gardens in the future?
Yes, yes. Well, I think the people will go to parks in future as well, because the park is so beautiful. And if it depends on a person. If a person is more friendly, more friendly in nature, so they often go to park daily.
All right. Thank you so much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test. Well, as far as my feedback is concerned, the first thing is try to be more confident. And you will be confident when you repeatedly answer such type of questions. So for that, you need to do a lot of practice. Second thing is, do not try to evaluate yourself. I mean, just answer the question, focus the question, and answer the question, and don't think whether your answer is good or bad or whatever it is, right? And one more piece of advice, as you practice on such type of topics, you will further become fluent in them, right? So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All the best. All right, guys, thank you so much. We also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or in-campus IELTS classes, we offer IELTS test booking service, IELTS writing correction or assessment, so you can be the part of these services as well. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.